Exam center taken a multiple student review and their remark how the exam paper went, what all question comes in the exam. So principle of design, that was sort of the.
Welcome to Ignite India Education, India's leading design, architecture, fine arts, law and management entrance exam preparation ISO 9001:2015 certified institute. Download the Ignite India app to get free access to NATA study materials and to know all top-ranking architecture colleges admission. Download free PDF with all college ranking details from Ignite India app. Fill registration form for a free counseling session in the top-ranking architecture colleges admission. The link is kept in the video description.
Well, so NATA exam which is over, we'll be overviewing it the question quickly. What was the question and what sort of question might comes in the next exam. So whole day we were in exam center taken a multiple student review and their remark how the exam paper went, what all question comes in the exam. So principle of design, that was sort of the portion where they asked the multiple question. That side it was so many different question was there. Then I told in last video also that they have asked couple of question in afternoon session about map, and like suppose Israel map and all is there. Then the first half if you'll see the question was related to Taj Mahal, which you can relate the right example, the right visual images and coordination. Then the couple of other question was there picture related that they have asked. The questions are, now if we see a 30 marks questions of overall, like cognitive part, which was the 10 question 30 marks. So their example pictures was there, rhythm, asymmetrical, symmetrical, contrast, elimination. So these are the more portion was there, especially in cognitive based, visual based, image based questions, what we say in that particular part of first part, where we have 1 to 3 marks, 10 3 marks question was 10, to 1 to 15 was 1 or 2 marks. It was randomly those questions are, if we will see it. Out of that question if we see, so most the one portion, the big bunch of the question from the basic fundamental of your maths, which is there, we are going to teach you, guide you in detail about it, as well as if we see in a 2 marks and 3 marks. Thoroughly it's towards the architecture, then the image, then the some famous architecture, building, planning, principle of design. Those are the major portion has been covered over there. So here what we have to keep in this particular right now, until now, whatever I have discussed with you, what I shared, this is all about the paper question that has been shared by the student, So that has been asked, like especially the symmetrical, we see in last 2 years, 2020, 21, this is the 22. So questions are more towards it. If we see a top elevator, or what about the painting type, so those things are there, and that comes in the exam. So overall if we look this paper pattern and entire this preparation, so what required for your July, because that is going to be very important, going to be more tougher, because every student is going to write the exam. Whomsoever we ask, they are okay, I am writing July exam. So here if you are target 180 plus or 150 plus in this exam minimum to get a top college, top rank, that has to be your target. And in this target Ignite India help you. Here our role comes, we give you very signified preparation agenda, very synchronized. So your whatever time you have from now, how you will maximize your entire potential based on this pattern, and that will help you in entrance test. So let's start from to now. Let's take from zero from exam center, which we cover and are talking about. Based on that, download the Ignite India app and get all the feedback and the guideline. At the same time, I would prefer you to like this video, share this video with your friend. That also will help you a lot. So that's it from this video. My name is Krishnanand Singh. In case if you have any doubt, do write your question in the comment box. I'll answer you. I'll help you out with all your doubt related to NATA exam and admission and career counseling. Thank you so much for watching this video.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon button to get all notifications whenever we will be uploading our new video. Download Ignite India app. Stay safe, stay positive, good luck. We'll see you in next video.